That way, this video will be cut into smaller pieces, so I can put them on the computer easier. Okay, what do you want to do? You want to say hi to the crowd?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
This is Naomi.
This is me, and that's Daddy.
It is.
And there's Mommy. Hi. You can't see her, but you probably can hear her. Mommy's sitting in a red chair. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, you.
Hi.
What are we doing? Going down the road?
Yeah. Oh, remember I made that up, and I was like, go on, and you didn't tell me.
I think you hear things once and remember them for life. Well, I'm going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road,
Feeling bad.
going down the road, feeling bad. Don't want to be
Treated this way.
going where the water tastes like wine. Going where the water tastes like where the water. Don't want to be going down the feeling. Going down the going down the feeling. Don't want to be going where the climate suits my clothes.
Going where the planet suits my clothes.
Going where the
Planet suits my clothes.
don't want to be
Treated this way.
going where those chilly winds don't blow, Lord. I'm going where those chilly winds don't blow. Going where those chilly winds don't want to be going down the road, feeling bad. Going down, going down the feeling. Don't want to be ready faster. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Feeling. Don't want to be going down, feeling bad. Going down. Don't want to be. I think you have to stop because you're coughing, but you, I
Say bye
can't.
to the crowd.
Say goodbye to the crowd, your fans.
Hi.
You want to say goodbye to Grandma?
Bye, Grandma.
Now I'm going to make Naomi's head disappear. Now it's gone. There it is. Naomi, nice job.
Excellent job, sweetheart.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm gonna
I want Mommy to